Welcome to Shiny English Hut. Sentences for Absolute Beginners 01. I have enough money to buy the book. My uncle has 2 farms in Texas. You must be hungry by now. I am the father of 2 children. They are very busy these days. The bank is just around the corner. Columbus was sure that the world was round. Several of the children were afraid of the doctor. Mr. Wilson has been very popular among students for years. He became ill during his trip. His father's death changed him into a stronger person. My grandfather died last year. Gas prices suddenly dropped last week. The boy almost fell off his bicycle. Peter Pan never grows old. Bad things can happen, even to good people. You must keep quiet at the library. A man can't live without hope. I lost my blue glove at the party.